So now let's see how we can reset image inside of Google Slides. So in order to reset an image, first of all, I'm going to insert an image. So I'm just going to go around into Photos and then select the image that I want to insert, just like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to resize this maybe, and then I'm going to rotate this out. So let me just go around and rotate this. And I'm going to go on to the crop and drag this out right here, just like this. So I'm just going to click and drag, go around into the background, click out. So I've made some changes onto this image. So now if you want to get the image back to its default state, then you can reset it by right clicking on it and by clicking on reset image. And you can see that the rotation information and everything is there, but the crop is gone. So the major changes that you make to the photo is gone while you reset the image, but not the size and position right there. So you can go around, change it around, and you can see that even if you crop out, you want to get it back onto the default, you can simply go around and right click and reset the image right here. Even if you were to apply some effects onto this from format right here, let's say for example, if we were to go around, change around the transparency, let me just go around and randomly change this out. Like let me apply some effects. If you don't want any of these, you can right click and then reset the image. So I'm just going to go around right here and then reset image, and you can see that it gets back onto its default state before you apply those effects. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.